Hey guys, my name is Felix from Domino Chinese, as you can see here. We're in the middle or sort of in the beginning of a travel course here. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time. Now in this video we'll be looking at 叫, which means to call someone, as in by a name, but not by phone, but to call someone simply. But it could also mean to be called, okay? So you can now simply say I and then this new thing that we're going to learn and then say your name. So I would be 我, and then to be called would just be 叫. So 我叫, and then you just put your name there. And if you don't have a Chinese name yet, that's fine. You can go with Felix. Okay, so you'd say 我叫 Felix. 我叫 Felix. Fantastic, isn't it? Now we actually know all the other personal pronouns, as in he, she, it, and you. So let's go with 你叫 Felix. Your name is Felix, or his name is Felix. 他叫 Felix. Anyone can be Felix today, I guess. And to further prove my point here are some Chinese people introducing themselves using 我 and 叫. And that is also the most common way to introduce yourself in Chinese. They'll be using their English name. Note that as well, because every Chinese person usually has an English name if they're quite young, unless they're old people and they're from rural areas.
Hi, 我叫 Liv.
我叫 Steffi.
我叫莉妮亚.